Hi, Michael Forkas here, and here's your Forkas find of the day. So you're looking for a renovation project? The ugly cat pee home in a good neighborhood? Well, I have it here for you. Let's take a look at this house. This home is in San Pablo. It is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, 1,100 square foot home. Unfortunately, we have some mold in the home, and this home is a complete renovation. Down to the studs. Walls need to be removed. Carpet needs to be pulled. New kitchen, new bathrooms, new exterior siding. Here's the bathroom. This home has been vacant for many years. There you go. So are you looking for a project? This is the ugly cat pee home that has huge upside if you know what you're doing. If you'd like more information, give me a call. Do you have the Forkas Factor on your side? Have a great day.